We never value what we have, and we are constantly chasing things which we don't have because our mind is programmed to love the challenges. He doesn't want to value what he has already achieved. And now there is another law that till the time you don't, pay gratitude, till the time you don't practice gratitude and celebrate the small wins and acknowledge what you have already received. A year back you wanted something, now you have it. Can be a car, can be a house. Till the time you don't deeply pay gratitude for it, you cannot have more things. Like even Abhishek Bachchan would not wake up every day and be thankful to universe that, oh, he got Aishwarya Rai. I mean, even he can take it for granted just after a few years of marriage. So imagine, we all humans are, we have been raised in a way where everything which comes easily, we don't really need it. Anything which we have already achieved, we don't really get attracted to it. Like, there are 1,000 dresses in my wardrobe, but I will not ever be thankful for it. And once I wanted to have them, but now that I possess them, I will obviously aim for something more. There has to be something out there which I still don't have, so my entire focus is on that. As humans, we are always focusing on the lacks, on the scarcity, on the things which are not there with us, on our failures, whatever we have not been able to achieve. So make it a daily habit. Maybe you can write it down in your diary, or you can say it loudly, affirm it, that thank you God for giving me this beautiful healthy body. Thank you God for giving me such amazing family, supportive friends, and whatever I have achieved so far in my life, maybe on the career front or in personal life, I'm deeply grateful for it. Just by saying it, your mind will start, practicing it, believing it, and once you give gratitude, you open doors for the bigger things to come. The bigger things will come to you with great ease without you struggling to get more. Try and practice and let me know in comments if it works for you.